Hello everyone, I'm going to spend the next couple of videos explaining to you where some of those four kinematic equations came from, what they mean, how to come up with them. I'm not sure how long each one's going to take me, so I'm going to probably break them up into one video per equation. I'm really hoping that these help a lot, because I know that it's what confused a lot of people, and also I know that it's something that's going to get a lot of people on the exams, because when, say, midterm comes around and we have to figure out, say, the projectile motion problems, these are the equations that everyone's going to forget. And I hope that by kind of showing you, where they come from, what they really mean, hopefully you won't have to memorize them or cram the night before. Hopefully you'll just kind of understand them, and you won't really need to necessarily memorize them. Okay, the first one that I'm going to tackle, or try to explain, is it's delta x equals 1/2 vf plus vi times t. I'm not going to write that down. Instead, I'm going to work my way into it. Okay, so we said in the basic definitions video that the average velocity, VA, is just equal to the sum of the beginning and end times, right? Divided by 2. So it's just the average of the beginning and the end times. And this is assuming constant acceleration and all that crap, but generally this works. It should also make sense that the distance that you travel is going to be equal to your average velocity times time. The distance that you travel is going to be however fast you're traveling times however long you're traveling at that speed for. So that should make sense. So say you're traveling 60 miles an hour for 2 hours, on average 60 miles an hour for 2 hours, well then you're going to have traveled 120 miles. Hopefully that all makes sense. Well, now let's just, where am I going wrong with this? Oh, okay. Let's plug this right here.
Hey, Ryan?
Yeah?
If I'm in classroom, will you be the other half?
No, thanks.
Okay.
Actually here, let me use a different, sorry, that was my sister. So here, let me use a different color actually. So if we take this right here and plug it in for VA, then what we end up with is we get that this delta x is equal to, well, the VA, so it's VF plus VI over 2, then all that times t. Right? Hopefully that makes sense. And now it's just kind of, I mean, we've got it right here in front of us, that just you can rewrite this as text box time. No, not text box time. I lied. We can rewrite this as, let's pick pink, as delta x is going to be equal to 1/2. That's what this over 2 is, times VF plus VI times time. And this should be kind of intuitive. I mean, when you multiply the average speed that you were going at times however long you were going at that speed, you get how far you traveled. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that's intuitive to you. You'll be able to come up with that on a test if you need it. Yeah. So, I'm going to go into the next equation. I'm deciding whether or not to make a new video of it. Yeah, I'm just going to make a new video. So in the next video, I'll tackle the VF equals VI plus AT equation, and then hopefully help you guys understand that pretty easily. See you then.